This video will show you how to add or edit guest details KYC to a reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily edit and add details for a guest. Let us see how. Click the desired reservation. The single reservation panel opens. Click View. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Add Edit Details. The guest information panel opens. You can add any of the other remaining details for the guest. Let's add the nationality and the DOB. Note that the guest information panel also helps you to see summary of last 5 visits of the same guest. Click Save. The reservation is updated with the new information. This brings us to the end of the video on how to add or edit guest details KYC to a reservation.